Hey everyone, Michael here, and in this video, I want to talk about how to create simple product videos on Facebook that actually convert. Now, I did do a video before on InShot, so if you did not see that video, go ahead and see that in my playlist in YouTube. But this video, I want to focus on rapid testing because sometimes when you are creating your videos, you don't want it to spend the whole day on creating that video, especially when you have a lot of products to test. And this method that I'm about to show you will be a very simple way to get your videos created and you can start testing those products and designs on the fly. All right, so without any further ado, let's get straight to it. Alright, so when testing on Facebook, you should definitely be using videos. It doesn't matter if you're doing print on demand or drop shipping, you want to be testing videos as well alongside your other ad creatives. The reason why you want to use videos is because you will see cheaper engagement and Facebook actually favors videos more. And from videos, we can create lookalike audience to branch out into different audience segments, and that can potentially be very powerful. Alright, now there are different ways to create videos, and I did mention a method before, and it's with an app called InShot. It's a great app, but it does take more time to create your videos. And we are in Q4 and Christmas is coming up. We need to have a method to rapid test our products, and the method that I'm about to show you will be excellent for you to be testing during this time. All right, so let's get into this. I have my ad account right here pulled up, and you should be seeing the same thing. All we have to do is click on this create button. All right, so this is the window that I'm seeing because I was doing a demo before. The window that you should be seeing should look like this. And you could be using the guided creation. I find that a little bit harder to use. That is why I normally just go with the quick creation tool, and this is the window. And then what you can do is just do a test here. Of course, you want to name your campaign name over here, and then conversions, and then you will just go through and do all the necessary naming conventions you normally do to keep track of your campaigns. All right, so let's go ahead and save draft. And from here, you will have to name your campaign, go back to your ad set level, and do the necessary customizations over here. So let's do purchase, and then you want to do your budget, and then your location. I'm just going to do a quick test, so I'm not going to really do any settings here. But let me just deselect all these over here for now. Okay, so what we want to do is go into the ad creative level over here. And once we're here, we can create our video. Now, normally you'll upload your video or do a slideshow within Facebook. But what is really cool is Facebook recently released their creative kit, and I've been testing it and it works really well. So all you have to do is come down here and select video slideshow, and where it says use templates, you just click on that and you'll see the video creation kit. Now there's different templates you can use. There's holiday themed templates or the standard templates, and they have one for product or description. You just have to select one that matches what you are doing. Now, the one that I normally use, I just select the first one and I will just click on use template over here, and then I can start uploading my images. So let me go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and go to background and select our image. This will be our image for our product, and I have already downloaded the image on my computer. So let's go ahead and upload image, and we can go ahead and select our image over here and just drag it into this box. Now I have pulled this from my store. You can do the same thing and resize it before you upload it, just to make sure it's the same size and it looks great. 1080 by 1080 will do for these images. So I didn't resize it so it doesn't look perfectly in the square, but that is okay because this is just a demo. And what I want to do is I want to remove this image. This is just a logo, so it looks great. And then that is pretty much done for the first one. And the second one, let's go ahead and select our image again. I'm just going to randomly select another image. Okay, and I'm going to remove this logo over here, and we can actually have a text on the bottom. So I can say 50% off today only, for example. This is our call to action. Okay, and then we can have our third image over here, and let's go ahead and upload our third image. And once that is done, you can just go down, and here is the text overlay that says learn more. You want to say something like get yours today, or you can say limited quantity available or limited edition, today only. So that's something that you can have other call to action here as well. Click here will be another one, but that is something simple and short, so it looks nice. Now, depending on the background, you might change the text to make it stand out a little bit more. So you have the flexibility to do that over here. And once that is done, you can basically use this video. But if you want to change this sticker over here, you just have to go to effects and you can change sticker, and they do provide you a lot of different stickers you can use depending on what kind of promos you are running. All right, so they have Black Friday that recently passed, but you can also have new, limited edition, while supplies last, so that is up to you. And you can also position it so it looks nice on the image, and once that is done, you can start using it. All right, so as you can see, it doesn't take a long time to get your videos out there and start testing. And this is what you want to do when you start getting a lot of products in. You want to do rapid testing. And with this feature, it's really easy to get videos out there. And once it's uploaded, we can preview to see how it looks. And once you're ready, we can go ahead and publish this video. So that is how you create simple videos for your products, and it actually works because of the background and the sticker. It really stands out on Facebook news feeds. I'm getting a lot of cheap engagement because of this type of template. So it's very simple to do, and if you have a lot of products, you should definitely give this a try. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that notification bell to get all my latest updates. With that, I'll see you on the next one.